Here's a quick typing video of the Iron165 Founders Edition with Lubed Red Holy Pandas and GMK Keycaps. Instead of snapping my fingers, I'll do a quick comparison with other boards that have case foam in them and either Holy Pandas or Holy Jesus switches. First, an MHKB minivan with DSA keycaps. Second, a K-type with PBT keycaps. Last, a Singa V3 with GMK keycaps. This should be apples to apples as far as switches, case foam, and keycaps with the iron. And now for the Iron FE. I'll do a quick typing test. Hope you enjoyed the video.